Let us read and enjoy a new story, The Turkish Cap. The school bell rang. We rushed out of the classroom. I took the gilli out of my bag and Kunal took the danda. We reached the ground outside our school compound, where we usually played. Paresh drew a big circle. Kunal placed the gilli in the center of the circle and took the danda to strike it. The others took their positions. Kunal struck the gilli hard. It flew out of the circle and went quite far. None of us could catch it. Nilesh was the first to reach the gilli. Picking it up, he threw it back with all his strength. Kunal struck hard again. It went flying in another direction. Kunal was too good a player for us. Then Pramod threw the gilli to Kunal. Kunal struck it forcefully towards Brijesh. It should have been an easy catch, but Brijesh missed. Soon the gilli was flying towards me. I was ready to catch it, but it never came. Instead, there was a lot of noise. A man in kurta and dhoti was standing in the middle of the playground. His Turkish cap was lying on the ground upside down, the gilli inside it. The man shouted, "You naughty boys, see what you have done." "I'm sorry, sir. I did not do it on purpose. It was a mistake, but I'm very sorry." "Why don't you play in your school compound?" "Sir, we are sorry. Our school compound is very small." "But that doesn't mean that you should play here, does it? I will go to your principal immediately." Turning around, he hurried towards the school. I quickly stole a glance at my friends. We were all scared of the principal, Mr. Ahmed. The man went straight to the principal's office. We crept into the courtyard outside the principal's room and tried to guess the conversation and the punishment we would be given. Soon the peon came and called us. One by one, we entered the principal's room. "Who is responsible for all this?" Mr. Ahmed thundered at us. We looked at one another. No one could say a word. Mr. Ahmed said, "Why don't any one of you speak up?" "Sir, we are sorry. We shall be careful in future." "Apologize to this gentleman, all of you." "We are very sorry, sir." "Okay, boys." The man looked happy and moved towards the door. Just we are going out, Mr. Ahmed asked, "Whose stroke was it?" Kunal and I looked at each other. My heart was beating faster and faster. But how could I blame my friend? I decided I would take the blame and open my mouth. But Kunal was quicker. "Sir, it was my stroke. I am very sorry." "What a stroke!" "You strike the gilli, hit a man's cap, the cap falls and then the gilli lands inside it. A master player, no doubt." I could not suppress my laughter, but I could not laugh in the principal's presence either. So I settled for a wide smile. We wanted to go out and laugh loudly. The man with the Turkish cap also turned around at the door. He smiled and went away. We trooped out of the room, then we burst out laughing. So, my dears, this is the story, The Turkish Cap. I think all of you liked it. Thank you. Bye bye.